This is a question on time and work, and a little bit of algebra or combination of numbers is allowed. Okay. The question says A can complete a piece of work in 60 days, B can do in 30, C can do in 20, D in 15, E in 12, and F in 10. Right? Now these six people make two groups, one of two members and the other of four members. So we have a two-member group, another one is a four-member group. In such a way that one team takes twice the time to complete the work. So one team takes twice the time. So it may be either these four men take twice the time as taken by two men, or these two men take twice the time taken by four men. How many such pairs or groups are possible? Now, if you read this question in hurry, you will feel that not enough data is given to us, and since this option doesn't even suggest us data inconsistent or insufficient, so we cannot even mark that as the right answer. Let's do one thing. Let's take the LCM of the days in turn. That will help us in calculating the efficiencies or the number of units that they do every day. So LCM of 60, 30, 20, 15, 12 and 10 is 60. So number of, so we will assume that there are 60 units of work to be done. So number of units per day that A does. So A finishes 60 units of work in 60 days. So A does 1 unit of work, B does 2 units, C does 3 units, D does 4, E does 5, and F does 6 units. So they do these many units of work per day. Together, how many units of work can they do in, together? How many units of work they can do? This is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 plus 5 plus 6. Adding all of this, we get the answer as 21. Together, they can do 21 units of work. Now, let's say whichever one of these is, one does X units and the other does 2X units. So overall, how much of work do they do? They do 21 units, because only these 6 people will be rearranged, right? It's going to be either AB over here and the remaining 4 over here, whatever may be the case. So in one day, all the 6 are working, and since whenever all the 6 are going to work, they're going to do 21 units of work. So can we say that X plus 2X is 21 or X is 7? That means this can, if one group does 7 units, the other group does the remaining 14 units. So this says that they overall do 21 units as well, and one group does twice the number of work as compared to the other one. Now, in how many ways can we make two people's unit sum as 7? 1 plus 6 is 7, 5 plus 2 is 7, and 3 plus 4 is 7. There are only 3 ways. That is, either A and F will be working together, or B and E are going to work together, or C and D are going to work together. And when AF works together, the remaining B, E, C, D, they work in the other group. When B works together, we will have ACDF working in the other group, and when CD works together, we will have ABEF working in the other group. So there are only 3 such pairs of groups possible.